Welcome to our channel. Today I share that how I started with just one small plant. It was just a simple beginning, nothing extraordinary. But slowly, without me even realizing, that one plant turned into 2, then 5. And before I knew it, I had 40 beautiful plants. Today, my entire home is filled with greenery and life. I can't even remember when this little interest turned into such a deep passion. These plants are not just a hobby for me, they are the peace of my heart, the comfort of my mind. Whenever I spend time with them, I forget about the world outside. Minutes turn into hours, yet I never feel the time passing. Each new leaf, each tiny bud, and every blooming flower feels like a gift, a moment of pure happiness. Caring for them, watching them grow and seeing them thrive has become one of the most beautiful parts of my life. They've filled my home with beauty and my heart with joy.